Welcome to the My Folders tutorial. In this module, we will look at Checkpoint's My Folders feature, including saving documents and revisiting them, saving and rerunning searches, organising using subfolders, and how to move, rename and delete items. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to work more efficiently by structuring and organising your work using folders. So, let's begin. We'll start on Checkpoint's home page. The My Folders link, located in the Checkpoint System toolbar, takes you to your folders. The My Folders menu displays, listing your saved documents and saved searches. As you can see, we've already organised some of our items in subfolders. These folders help you to organise your research. Subfolders enable you to classify your saved documents and searches, making them easier to find. In here, you can see an example that we've already created, a folder for an individual, John Hemme, with subfolders for his rental property matters. We've also created a folder for another client, Shaw and Smith, and created subfolders for their finance and lease and partnership documents that we're working on. We'll create a new subfolder for our client, Acme Building Limited. Begin by selecting the My Documents folder on the left, click New Folder and, in the Create a New Folder pop-up, type in Acme Building Limited and click Submit. In our My Folders screen, under My Documents, you now see the new folder. Now you can save your documents to the folders as you work on a client. Here, I'll navigate to the Is a New Zealand Resident's Interest in a Foreign Company an FIF Interest Test. Start completing the test, and then save it to My Folders. To save the form to My Folders, click the disk icon towards the top of the document, select the correct folder, and then click Save. You'll return to the form. We'll go back to My Folders, where you now see a link to the partially completed checklist. To open the form again, with all of the partially completed information, click the document name. Here you can see that it opens with the partially completed tool exactly as we left it. The important difference between saving under My Folders versus saving as quick links is the completed information. Saving in My Folders saves the tool or document complete with any information that you've filled in. Open a document or tool from My Folders and it appears as it was when you saved it, no matter what work has been done using that tool in the meantime. When you open a tool from your quick links, this is only a deep link. The tool opens up completed with whatever was present last time it was closed. Using My Folders, you can have multiple versions of part-completed forms for different clients or projects and return to any of them at any time without having to re-enter any information. It's a very powerful feature and worth a few minutes of your time to get used to it. My Saved Searches work in a similar way. Here, you can see that we've got a few folders created already. We'll quickly create a new search, so we'll go to Research and select the Cases template. I want a search that shows me the latest on income tax relating to the residency status of individuals. So I'll enter my search terms, set the search to return me a list of documents, and then click the Search button to view the results. We can see the list of documents, sorted in date order, with the most recent first. Now, let's assume that this is an issue that I'm keeping a close eye on. The best way to do this is to save this as a search so that I can come back to it regularly. To save a search, to the left of the screen, click the Save this search to my folders link. In the Add to my folders pop-up, select the required folder and click Save. Then you'll return to the search results. The saved search can now be run at any time. In the System toolbar, click My Folders, then open My Saved Searches and select the folder where the search was saved. The saved search appears in the list to the right. Your saved searches are listed in reverse chronological order. Just as with saved documents and tools, click the link to rerun the search. The search results appear and, in this case, the most recent case is displayed at the top. Saved searches provide you with a time-saving feature to keep track of new developments. My Folders also provides housekeeping and filing options to assist in organising your saved documents and searches. We'll go back to My Folders and take a look at these. Using the buttons above the document list, you can move, rename, or delete a folder. To the right of each document, tool, or search, you'll see 3 option buttons too. These allow you to move an individual item to a new folder, rename it, or delete it from My Folders. So, to delete the search that we created before, navigate to the saved searches and then the correct folder, click the red X to the right, click Yes on the Remove Search pop-up, and we'll return to the folder which is now empty. We can delete the folder too. So, to summarise, you can use My Folders to structure and organise your research, documents and searches into folders. Folders make it easy to retrieve your saved documents and searches. When you save a partially completed tool, such as a checklist, in a folder, you can return to finish completing the information at any time. You can organise your research and tools in folders and subfolders, so you can organise your work by client, case, topic, or however you like. Saving searches gives you a powerful tool for staying up to date with recent developments. It's a good idea to start filing your work in folders, as this will often help to organise your research more logically and save you time. Thanks for taking the My Folders tutorial. If you'd like to schedule a Checkpoint training session, please email trainers@thomsonreuters.co.nz or call our customer care team on 0800 10 60 60. Thank you for your time.